Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best black dry erase board is probably one of the most versatile and stylish tools you can add to your home office, kitchen, or creative space, offering a sleek alternative to traditional whiteboards while providing a perfect canvas for brainstorming ideas, jotting down reminders, or even creating stunning visual displays that truly stand out, making organization and creativity effortlessly chic and highly functional in any modern environment. Number 5. Mr. Pen 14x11 Black Frame Dry Erase Board. Introducing the Mr. Pen 14x11 Dry Erase Board. This versatile mini whiteboard is perfect for students, home, or office use. It comes complete with a black dry erase marker and double-sided tapes for easy setup. Installation is a breeze with the included double-sided tapes. Simply attach it to any clean surface, your fridge, wall, or locker, without the need for drilling. You'll have it ready in minutes. This board provides a durable, high-quality writing surface to help you plan, organize, and keep track of daily tasks. It's an eco-friendly option that can be erased and reused multiple times, promoting zero waste. Its sleek black frame allows it to fit seamlessly into any modern office or school setting. Use it as the perfect canvas to jot down reminders, thoughts, or creative ideas. The premium magnetic steel dry erase surface ensures superior erasability. Your notes can be wiped off quickly and cleanly, leaving no ghosting or streaking behind. The included dry erase marker features an ergonomic shape, ensuring comfortable use for both adults and children. It's an ideal tool for planning your day or drawing educational diagrams. What we like. This board offers a premium magnetic steel surface for smooth writing and superior erasability. Its advanced surface ensures no ghosting or streaking, keeping your notes pristine. If you are looking for a versatile board that installs easily with included tape and maintains a clean look, this is an excellent choice for any modern setting. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 4. Magnetic Fridge Chalkboard 4.5 by 8.5 inches. This magnetic chalkboard helps you stay organized with meal planning and grocery shopping. It's a practical solution to reduce food waste and avoid unnecessary purchases. Jot down and adjust your grocery list with ease. Its black surface wipes clean effortlessly, ensuring a clutter-free kitchen. Designed with a strong magnetic backing, it stays firmly in place without slipping. This provides a reliable solution for your refrigerator. This offers a reusable, eco-friendly alternative to paper planners. Use it to keep track of groceries, saving both time and money. For the best writing experience, remember to use neon or white dry erase markers. These are not included with the board. What we like. This compact board is specifically designed for your fridge, making it a practical solution for daily organization. Its strong magnetic backing keeps it securely in place, perfect for quick notes and grocery lists. If you need a small, dedicated space on your refrigerator to manage your shopping and meal planning, this one is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Mr. Pen 11 by 14 Magnetic Dry Erase Board. Introducing the Mr. Pen 11 by 14 Dry Erase Board. This complete set includes a premium whiteboard, a black marker with a magnetic eraser cap, and all necessary hardware for easy installation. It's ready to use right out of the box. This magnetic whiteboard offers incredible versatility. Use it as a traditional dry erase board for writing and drawing, or transform it into a magnetic bulletin board for notes and reminders. It adapts to your needs effortlessly. Experience a premium magnetic surface that resists stains and ghosting, ensuring a clean slate every time. Its classic black aluminum frame provides a sleek look that complements any home, office, or classroom decor. This board is built to last. It's an excellent tool for learning and creativity. Write, wipe, and reuse it countless times without any waste. The smooth surface makes writing a breeze, and its magnetic properties allow you to attach educational magnets or important documents. Designed for convenience, it features a robust yet lightweight construction. A handy top handle makes it easy to carry on the go or reposition as an interactive bulletin board. You can take it anywhere you need it. This board is ideal for homeschooling, small group instruction, and online teaching. Use it to track schedules, manage to-do lists, or enhance presentations. Its versatility makes it a valuable asset in many different scenarios. What we like. Featuring a classic aluminum frame, this board is both durable and stylish, fitting seamlessly into any decor. It doubles as a magnetic bulletin board, offering versatile use for notes and attachments. If you value portability and a multifunctional board that can be easily moved or hung, this option provides great flexibility. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source data. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. Black Magnetic Acrylic Dry Erase Calendar Set. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to get organized. You'll receive 2 planning boards, 7 vibrant markers, a magnetic pen box, and a cleaning cloth. Plus, it comes with hanging hardware and a user manual for easy setup. It attaches effortlessly to any magnetic surface, like your fridge. For non-magnetic areas such as glass or wood, we've included convenient hanging hardware. You can even use this hardware on magnetic surfaces if you prefer not to scratch them. This acrylic planning board boasts a scratch and stain-resistant surface, ensuring longevity. It cleans up easily with dry or wet erasers, leaving no residue or ghosting. Its reusability makes it a great choice for the environment. With this magnetic planning board, keeping track of important dates and events becomes simple. Birthdays, appointments, and holidays are all easily managed. It's also an excellent tool for teaching children valuable time management skills. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or classrooms, it helps you plan your day and create to-do lists. Its abstract design adds a fashionable touch to any room, making it a wonderful decoration. The possibilities for its use are truly endless, making it an ideal gift. What we like. This acrylic planning board comes as a comprehensive set, including both monthly and weekly layouts, plus a chore chart. Its sleek, abstract design adds a modern touch to any space, making it a decorative and functional piece. If you are looking for a stylish and complete planning system to organize your family schedule and tasks, this set is perfect. What people say. Number 1. Premium Magnetic Fridge Chalkboard 17.5 by 13.5. This new 17.5 by 13.5 blackboard is multifunctional and reusable. It's perfect for to-do lists, groceries, work reminders, and more, making life easier for everyone. Its top layer features a special film lamination for easy erasing, leaving no stains behind. The black PVC middle layer prevents peeling and keeps it looking new. With a strong magnetic backing, it stays firmly on your fridge. Kids can use it for drawing, learning, or practicing math, teaching them organization early. This set includes 8 vibrant liquid neon chalk markers. It arrives ready to use, providing more markers than typical sets for all your notes and designs. Before buying, ensure your fridge is magnetic and measure your space for its 17.5 by 13.5 size. It can even be cut to fit various fridge types. What we like. This large board provides ample space for all your notes, lists, and creative expressions. It features a special stain-resistant film for effortless erasing, ensuring it always looks new. If you need a spacious organizer for your fridge and enjoy writing with vibrant colors, the included 8 neon chalk markers make this a fantastic choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.